to be on the tight side.
Gotcha. Okay.
I'll get all these loosened up here. I guess I just thought I did that all, but I guess I didn't. I skipped that row, didn't I?
I think, yeah, this was the only row I remember seeing skipped. I think.
Okay.
I think the rest of them are already good.
Okay.
So
So now we should be able to.
loosen that shaft and push it back through.
Theoretically, but
Come on.
for some reason we're tight. Alright, well, we'll loosen up. I'll go through and we'll loosen up the torque
Oh, okay.
down here
Take
too,
some of that off,
and
yeah.
we'll get everything loose.
Okay.
You just loosen it up till you don't feel no more.
Okay. So you don't put
tension on
pressure on it? Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah. pulling this shaft out, you want to make sure that the gear is not too loose to where it will just come out like right now. You can't get them pulled out sometimes. Usually they're a little snug and they'll usually stay, but you don't want to drop one of these things here, okay?
Understood.
And if they're just too tight, when we loosen the cartridges up, we can pull them out then. Okay. There is no certain order
Okay.
on which gears go where. They can be put anywhere. They're all
Okay.
interchangeable.
They're not special. Okay.
No.
Good.
Okay. Cartridges are held together with 5 bolts.
Okay.
You got a low head cap screw that is right here. It will be on the nut side on all of these.
Okay.
sometimes just by loosening the top one will allow
It'll be
that
enough to, yeah.
to pull those out. And sometimes on the inside of each one of these, you'll see 4 socket heads. As soon as you loosen these up, that's when that will become loose.
Take the tension off that, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So, but basically, we'll get them loosened here. All 4 of them. Get them out of your way to give you more room as you work on the individual ones. Yeah. Typically, I'll go through and get them all broke loose, and then
The magnet.
oh yeah. That'll be very, very handy. Pick up everything I drop. Collar from earlier.
Yeah, I remember that.
Okay. Now, as you take these out, there's actually a spacer
Okay.
that's in between each
That's what
one.
you're saying, yeah.
So you pull it out, and you'll have a spacer that will come out on each one of those.
Okay.
Okay. And that was disassembly of that. And then to go ahead and get the whole thing apart, we'll remove that first one I loosened.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We'll remove this little low head here. And that's completely disassembled the parts there. So what we'll do is do each one, and with this shaft, we'll push it back partially.
Mm-hmm.
We're able to take those parts off one at a time,
Yeah.
and then the replaceable part in here will be the white thing, just like what's on your other ones.
Gotcha.
Okay. So then we'll pull them apart, and of course, obviously these here don't need yet. So
They're new. So,
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That works for me.
All right.